Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if you are facing any problem related to your speakers in your device Vivo Y15c. So if your speakers are not working in your device, you can make them work by following the few steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before we start the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix your problem related to your speakers.